In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable and install volume activation tools on your Windows 10 device, which is an optional feature on Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the system tile on this page. And then on the left panel, scroll down and select optional features. On the right side, select add a feature near the top. And then in this find available optional feature, you want to search for volume activation tools. Check mark next to it to select it and then select add. Give that a moment to install. And then once that's installed, go ahead and close out of here, restart your computer, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.